The Kerr County Commissioner's Court has approved plans to move forward with an outdoor flood warning system on the Guadalupe River through a partnership with the Upper Guadalupe River Authority. Now, this comes just over 6 months after catastrophic flooding on that river killed more than 100 people, including 25 girls and 2 counselors at Camp Mystic. The court approved a resolution accepting grant money from the Texas Water Development Board. The grant allows the county to receive $1 million for warning sirens and then an additional $250,000 in expedited grants. The total project is expected to cost about $5 million.
You can see each one of these steps builds or buttresses the other. And this is a belts and suspenders approach that we're going to keep our britches up here.
The Upper Guadalupe River Authority is going to hold a special meeting on Friday to approve the agreement with the county.